Nvidia's 30 series lineup set a standard of what next-gen gaming should be like, and now, with their upcoming 40 series GPUs, specifically the 4090 Ti, they are expected to take things even further. This includes the specs, performance, price, and total power draw. We mean, GPUs are getting so powerful that at this point, you might even need an arc reactor to power one up. That is, if you can manage to get your hands on one anyway. Jokes apart, in this video, we're going to talk about everything we know about the upcoming RTX 4090 Ti and what possibilities lie ahead of us. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The next generation of RTX 40 series cards will be powered by AD102 architecture. Renowned leaker Kopite7Kimi on Twitter has compared this architecture with previous gen GA102 and TU102 to give us a brief understanding of how powerful the 40 series GPUs might turn out to be. While the comparison might look quite complex to you, here is what you really need to know. According to WCCF Tech, AD102 seems to offer double the graphics processing clusters and rendering output unit, 50% more GPU cores and L1 cache, 16 times more L2 and 4th gen tensor along with 3rd gen RT cores. This seems like a huge bump over graphical and rendering performance compared to the previous gen RTX 30 series cards. With that being said, they have also shared some valuable insight on how much VRAM the cards might bring in and at what power cost. By the looks of it, lower-end 40 series cards such as the RTX 4050 and RTX 4060 might end up having 8 GB of VRAM and power draw of up to 200 watts. While this is quite expected, the unexpected happens with the higher-end GPUs. RTX 4090 presumably has 24 GB of memory with a TDP rating of 450 watts. Hold your horses as it doesn't stop right there. RTX 4090 Ti variant will have double the system memory with a TDP of 600 watts. Some even speculate that it might end up drawing up to 900 watts. Good luck cooling that thing down with an air cooler. Although we're quite sure that aftermarket brands will come up with a water-cooled version for this card. As for the pricing and speculations, the rumors should be taken with a grain of salt, as it hasn't been confirmed yet. The already existing 3090 Ti has a retail price of $1,999, which is being sold at a much higher price, all thanks to miners and scalpers. Judging by this, the RTX 4090 Ti will have a hefty price tag that's above the $3,000 mark. Here's a prediction of YouTuber and Twitter user Graphically Challenged for the 40 series cards. Breathtaking, isn't it? Nonetheless, it will be sold beyond that, and we will still have a hard time getting one, as it is likely to go out of stock pretty soon. We will be back again with more updates on the 4090 Ti as soon as it hits the shelves. So, that was all about the upcoming Nvidia RTX 4090 Ti. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.